so pretty. Best greeting. Best greeting. You're waiting right by the door for me. Oh, so cute. Oh, so excited. Oh, I love you so much. You better greet me like this dog, or else. You like your new rug, Feldy? Bella's got a new rug. And she's got a new bow. Hi, Schmeldies. This is my beautiful girl. Sorry you have to see her butt. Ah, super close. Oh, salmon time. Ooh, I love you so much. Aw, so special. You want me to pet you?
But they had a
Willa.
lot. They had a lot of salmon.
Want me to pet you? You need a hand? Hey, Feldy, I just got a manicure. Would you like a belly rub? Okay. Okay, girls, just got a manicure. Let's get some belly rubs in. Let's get some belly rubs. Here, lay down. All right, we'll do some. Hey, Schmeldy, just got a manicure. You want a belly rub? Want a belly rub? Ooh. Schmeldy, just got a manicure. Let's do some cuddling. Let's do some belly rubbing. Oh, what nice cheeks you have. Oh, what nice cheeks you have. Look at you. Oh, she's so beautiful. I love your ears. I just want to reach out and touch them. What's that song? Oh, abracadabra. I just want to reach out and grab ya. Oh, abracadabra. I just want to reach out and grab ya.
Doing everything she can.
Oh, we love to touch your paws. Oh, I love to touch your paws. Oh, eat them for dinner. Let's fatten you up. Let's give you some dinner. And then we can eat you to pieces. Eat you to pieces. Oh, look at you. Oh, now let's touch the top of your head. Oh, oh, so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Taste my new fingers. Taste them. Taste them. What do you think of my new manicure? Oh, have to talk to you later, my pretty. Eat a lot so we can fatten you up. Eat you for dinner. Yeah. And we'll have dinner at 6 o'clock. Okay? 6 o'clock dinner. Aww. She looks quite content, and she's already started following me around within 30 seconds. Hi, Feldy. Okay, I guess you're the office guard dog now. That's it. You got a real smiley wolf. You know, you look very funny. You definitely look like a Korean Jindo right now. What, are you smelling your dad in the office? What's going on? You can't go in the dental office, Feldy. You can't. She won't leave. She walked me. I tried to walk around the neighborhood, and she just keeps going here. She won't leave. Come on. It's not take your daughter to work day. We gotta go. Come on. Come on, baby. Nope. That's it. That's it. I guess we're staying in the dental office all day. Alright. Come on, we can't go. You want to go to the office? You want to go to the office? Feldy. You can't go in the office. You're not a dental patient. Are you a dental patient? You want to get a root canal? You can't. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby, let's go. No? She's like, no. I'm staying at the dental office. Alright, I guess we'll stay here forever. Wait for Dad to get home. Important to have that. Hey guys, are you going to come into the shower with me? Like, your dog just like hang out inside the bathroom? You guys, like, come on. Alright, I guess we'll do everything together. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's go outside. Here, come on. Let's all go somewhere else. You don't have to hang out in the bathroom. These dogs follow me everywhere. It's so funny. Alright, let's go in the kitchen. Yay! Kitchen time! Oh, that's much better. And the lighting's better too. Ooh, you guys are so cute. So cute. Here, sit down. Bring me a toy. Will, give me a toy. Give me a toy. What's going on? Why do you look so overexposed? Oh, the beauties. Love this view. Love this view. Oh, I'm getting bit by a bug. Oh, I love to look at the tree and Feldy. Mwah. There you go. Peace. Bliss. We just hold hands. Oh, she's my cutie. Big cuddles. Big hand cuddles. There you go. Are you enjoying yourself? Bliss. That's it. I wonder what she's thinking. You ever wonder what your dogs are thinking? Are you enjoying yourself? Are you enjoying yourself? Why do you look so overexposed? Oh, the beauties. Love this view. Love this view. Oh, I'm getting bit by a bug. Oh, I love to look at the tree and Feldy. Mwah. There you go. There we go. We love watermelon. I love how she chews. More. Let's have some more. Oh, look at you. Feldy with the trees. Where are we going? Hi, baby. You're so beautiful. You look so pretty with the trees in the background. Soon we're gonna have lots of apples and peaches. Oh, you're my favorite view. Oh. 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 Mwah. You're so beautiful. So when do you think Dunkin' Donuts started putting this on their boxes? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, like did 1,000 people have to come in and make a video or come in with complaints? Like, I can't seem to get the boxes open. Ugh. Ugh. And then some cashier says, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I go, oh, we gotta put on the boxes. Can you imagine how many people do you think needed this that they had to put on? Or they're just like, you know what, Americans are stupid. Let's put this on here right now. Feldy, what do you think? Look. What do you think, Feldy? You know how to open the box? I didn't know how to open the box. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna be full disclosure. I didn't know how to open the box until I saw. So thank God. Thank God, you know? Side note, I've been saving this box because of my thoughts on this for at least, I want to say 8 months from my shoot with Rock Out 13 Productions. This is from New Jersey. I actually had this saved. This is my dedication to ridiculous rants and bullshit and things that happen. This was in this cabinet for at least 6 months. But really, I mean, righty tighty, lefty loosey, does it need to be said? Does it need to be said? Does it need to be said? No, look at the camera, not me. I want to show your beautiful face. This is the most difficult subject to photograph in film ever. Photograph, forget it. Only video, because you move around a lot. Don't look at the camera, you didn't sign a release. She knows. She knows. Maybe she's a trained actress. She knows not to look at the camera, you know? Ooh, she's gonna get a treat. Treat time. You know it's treat time. I love you. It's for you. Oh, I don't want it. Oh, you loved it last time. Rejected! But she still has a smile on her face. Rejected. Damn. 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 So special. Such a special girl. Kind of looks like a wolf from here. Viewing the cuddly wolf in the wild. Oh. You're so still. Look almost like a doll. There we go. Love you. This is her very docile, very calm side. She's often wrestling it.